Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the app icon on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, any other Pixel device. This is my Pixel 10 device. Now let's see how to apply app icon. To change by default, this app icon selected on your device. To apply this icon to theme icon on your Pixel, tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap on the wallpaper and style. Now swipe the screen. Here you can find the icon option. If you have any pixel device running the Android 16 version, you can find this option, icons option. Here you can see the theme icons. In the next Android Android 16 release or official Android 16, you can see the new theme icon option available. So wait for that. But here, when you toggle on this option, it will automatically apply to the home screen or a app drawer on your device. Here you can see how it look. When you toggle it off, get back the default app icon. Now toggle it on. That will apply app icon to the wallpaper you select on your device or color palette. Upon the apply at the top right corner. Now go to home screen and you can see apply the change the app icon color or style depend on the wallpaper you set or a quick setting tiles. It will not apply to your app drawer. It will only apply to the home screen. If you want to get back, follow the same step. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen, wallpaper and style, type up, tap on icons, and toggle off the theme icons. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.